Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Younique unboxing for you guys. This is the February 2019 Kudos, as well as some extra items that I purchased. So let me jump in and crack this open. While I'm cracking this open, let me let you guys know that I do still have my grand opening party going on. I will link that below. It's going on until the 11th, so it goes on until Monday if you guys would like to place an order. I definitely would appreciate the help because I'm trying to reach a goal of $300 in sales. That way I get the bonus. And I am nearly there. And I'm nearly done opening this box. The February Kudos looked beautiful online. So I'm surprised that it came in such a small box. That's like really small, but then again it's makeup, so why waste the big box? So kudos to them for not being wasteful. So as you see, we got the Younique tissue paper in there. And I'm just going to pull the tissue paper out. And we're going to get started. So one of the items that came with the Kudos this month was the fluffy crease brush. Now I got this in my presenter's kit. It does pack on a lot of color, but if I'm being completely transparent and completely honest with you guys, it is not the softest. It's soft, but it's a little bit scratchy. So that is the crease brush. It also came with the Moodstruck Beloved Volume 2 shadow palette. Now that's the outside of the shadow palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Has a rose on it. Super cute. Perfect for Valentine's Day. And like I said, these colors looked like they were right up my alley. The outside of the package looks the exact same. Has that rose on there with the rose petals. And this one actually has the color names written on it. So it looks like that. And my lighting looks very true to color. We got this very stark white over here on the left. We have a super pretty shimmering mauve called Wooed. The white is called Doting. We have this gorgeous lilac, deep lavender and irreplaceable. And then we have a taupey brown shade in Wistful. So I absolutely cannot wait to wear these colors. They are absolutely gorgeous. And also with the Kudos, you got your choice of blush. The blush is the Moodstruck Pressed Blusher. I went ahead and I picked mine up in Surreal. I believe it was actually the darkest one. And at first I was originally going to get the lightest one because I'm very fair in that, but this color looked absolutely gorgeous, and I think that as long as I apply it on the sheer side, that it'll work well for my skin. And also it would be a beautiful eyeshadow. So if I don't want to use this as a blush, I plan to use it as a shadow. It is a deep aubergine burgundy color. I think with a light hand it'll look beautiful on the cheeks. I think this color is flattering to every skin tone, whether you're fair or on the deep side. I think this would work for anybody. And then, like I said, you could double use it and wear it as a shadow. So that is everything that was in my February Kudos. Anything else was just extras that I picked up. So one item that I picked up is I was really curious about the Younique foundation, and I went ahead and I picked up the Mineral Touch Cream Foundation because this was on sale for $16. I went ahead and I picked up the color Scarlet, which is the lightest color. My sponsor was a little bit worried about me purchasing Scarlet. She's like, I only know 2 people that are that fair and that kind of stuff, but typically I am the lightest color on the color spectrum. And then I like to warm my color up with some bronzer and some blush and highlighter. I actually think that Scarlet is going to be a great match for me. So that is Scarlet on the camera, because I am a little bit lighter than a MAC NC15. but yet I'm a little bit darker than a NC10. So I think that Scarlet will work out great for me when it comes to the Younique foundation. I plan to set that with a powder. I haven't purchased any of the Younique powders yet, but I definitely look forward to doing so. Then I have here a Moodstruck Precision Pencil Eyeliner. Looks like that. And I don't know if it says the color I purchased. Perfect is the color, which I believe is the black. It has been a long time since I have used a pencil liner on my waterline. And I wanted to go back to doing that to see how I liked it compared to using a liquid. Yes, I usually use a liquid on my lash line. If you are following me on my Facebook Younique page, I have a picture of me of the presenter's makeup that I wore, and I did use the liquid eyeliner on my top lash line as well as my lower lash line. And it had a very good staying power. I really enjoyed it, so I'm definitely curious to see how the pencil does for me. I think the reason why I strayed away from using pencil eyeliner for a while on the lash line is that in due time it would end up gathering right down at the bottom of my eyes. So then I have here the Moodstruck Precision Dip and Draw Eyeliner. I forgot that this even came in my presenter's kit, so I went ahead and I ordered it before my presenter's kit arrived because I knew I would be needing a new liquid liner. So I actually have 2 of these, which is good because eyeliner is one of my most used makeup products that I consistently use. Like when it comes to makeup, I change it out and that kind of stuff. I don't always wear the same products each time I wear makeup. But when I wear eyeliner, I'm always wearing the same eyeliner over and over again. So it tends to be a product that I cycle through pretty quickly. So like I said, that is the Moodstruck Precision Dip and Draw Eyeliner. I have 2 more products to show you guys. I did pick up a Moodstruck Precision Pencil. This is a lip liner and this is in plush. I was really happy to get my hands on this because a few weeks ago, this was out of stock. I think this is the most gorgeous lip liner that Younique has to offer. It is a super pretty mauve colored nude. Like, you cannot go wrong with that lip liner color. Looks like that. Super, super pretty color. And I plan to pair it with the lipstick that I actually bought from Younique. As well as I recently placed another Younique order because I've been on a little bit of a makeup binge lately. And I got a new gloss coming. So the lipstick I purchased, this is the Moodstruck Opulence lipstick. And this one is in Sitting Pretty. So packaging looks like that. Lipstick is in a classic black tube. And oh, this lipstick is so pretty. It is a very pretty pearlescent pink. So that lip liner is on the darker side. And I think between the lip liner being on the dark side, this being on the lighter side, it's going to have that perfect counterbalance of that pinky nude lip look. I cannot wait to wear this. I plan on wearing this with the eyeshadow palette probably a whole lot this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed my Younique makeup cosmetic haul. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.